What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest on your iPhone. So you want to go ahead and find your app store and open that on your Android phone and on your iPhone, and use the search in the lower right to search for Pinterest. Now you can find the search at the bottom and you want to type in Pinterest. Once you start to type it in, you will find Pinterest and you will see that you can quickly download Pinterest on your phone. So here you can see that it shows me to, let's say, re-download it again. I'm going to tap on that and you will see that it quickly install Pinterest on my iPhone. And once that is done, I can open the Pinterest application and I can sign in if I have an account. If I have a Google account, I can tap on that and click on continue, choose my credentials, and I can even use passkey or whatever, and it's going to quickly sign me into my account. I click on continue and it's going to log me right in to Pinterest on my phone right here. I'm going to click on save right there. Or click on not done. You can see right there I'm done, and right here you can see that I'm in Pinterest on my iPhone. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.